Hi, this is Chase from Optics Planet. I'm here at Canon's California manufacturing facility. We're on the manufacturing floor where they actually build Canon safes. I'm here with Kevin. He's going to talk us through how they go from a sheet of steel to an actual safe.
Thanks, Chase. Glad you guys came out. Welcome. As you said, everything starts with the safe with this one sheet of steel. From there, we're going to add in many more pieces. We're going to turn it into the final product that you see right over here.
Awesome. I can't wait to see how it all comes together.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, the raw steel has been bent and cut. What's the next step in the manufacturing process?
So now that we've got the bodies behind us, the basic shell, we're going to go over to the welding line where they're going to start to add their structural integrity as well as get everything ready for the doors and process.
Putting all the pieces together.
Exactly. So the way this starts, you've got the body stacked here, goes into the line, flows through. So this first station, he's adding the internals to the door, the top and the bottom, so your floor and your top to help protect it, give it its rigidity. It's going to go down through the line. We're going to have a guy add in our internal door hinge and everything. Go through, they're going to clean it up, make it pretty, and then we're going to go into paint and prep. A lot of changes have happened in a short amount of time. We went from a basic shell to basically a completed body. So we put the tops on, we've added the door, we've got all the internals here for the door frame and everything. Right. Now it's going to go into pre-paint prep. So they're going to go through, they're going to clean up all the marks and everything that were put on. They're going to smooth out any imperfections like we see here on the door. We're going to cover it up, and then it's going to go into the paint department from there. So now after paint and prep, the safe's actually going to get painted. Right. So this is going to put a hammer tone paint all over the outside and take it from its raw steel form to a more finished look. Then from here we're going to go and we're going to go check them out, putting on the logos and silk screens with it. So, came out of paint, it's dried, we've applied the logo, it's on the tracks, and we're going to roll it into the final assembly area. We've got them on tracks so that one guy can move any size safe by himself without hurting himself, but also without straining himself. So we're all about making it easier on our workers. So we're a couple stages into the final assembly. At this point, we've added the hubs on, we've added the keypads. We've got the lock and the relocker here, and we've started to add the fireboard to the interior to the safe to give it that finest finished look.
Okay, now we're in the interiors department. What are these guys doing?
So these guys are feeding the final assembly line to maintain our quality control and high standards. We actually do everything in-house, so we don't sub out any of our work. These guys are building the door organizer kits behind us that are going to go on the door panel and into the safe to give you additional storage. But they're also doing your gun racks, your top shelves, your center dividers. Right. Everything that makes the inside of the safe look finished is all built right in-house.
We're just about at the end here. What's left before we have a final safe?
So the really only thing we have to do at this point, they're going to do some final cleaning. We're going to add the door kit in. As this went down the line, all the locks have been checked 8 times to make sure that they're going to function.
Nice.
We've added some features and benefits on the front. They've went through, added the lifetime warranty to help you register it, along with some literature about our other family of brands. They're going to go through, put the door kit in, do some final cleaning, make sure it looks nice, pull the plastic over, box it up. It's going to roll down the line and go on to its next homeowner.
That's awesome. We just watched a raw piece of steel, turn into this finished product. It's an awesome process. The employees are so involved. They have so much pride. It's very evident. All these guys are available at opticsplanet.com. There's a safe on this line for you. This is Chase. Thanks for watching.